Hello guys, welcome to MCQ Biology. This is Biological Classification MCQs Part 1. So let's get started. Who was the first to attempt a more scientific basis of classification? Linnaeus, Aristotle, Whittaker, Bentham and Hooker. Correct answer is Aristotle. Aristotle classified plants in herbs, shrubs, and trees on the basis of anatomical feature, morphological character, physiological characters, biochemical characters. Correct answer is morphological characters. In how many groups did Aristotle divide the animals on the basis of presence absence of RBC? 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct answer is 2 on 2 basis. In which year Whittaker proposed the five kingdom classification? 1969, 1900, 1935, 1980. Correct answer is 1969. Whittaker's kingdom are Plantae and Animalia, Monera and Protista, Fungi, all of these. Correct answer is all of these. How many criteria were used by Whittaker for classification? 1, 3, 4, 5. Correct answer is 5. What is common to bacteria, mosses and fungus? It is mode of nutrition, presence of cell wall, autotrophic, body organization. Correct answer is presence of cell wall. All prokaryotic groups are put under dash kingdom: Monera, Plantae, Fungi, Protista. Correct answer is Monera. Kingdom Protista contains blue-green algae, fungi, unicellular eukaryotes, all of these. Correct answer is unicellular eukaryotes. Clydomonas, Chlorella, Paramecium and Amoeba are placed in which kingdom of Whittaker's classification? Monera, Plantae, Fungi, Protista. Correct answer is Protista. Phylogeny refers to morphology, physiology, reproduction, evolutionary relationship. Correct answer is evolutionary relationship. Kingdom Monera contains bacteria, dinoflagellate, slime mold, euglenoid. Correct answer is bacteria. Most abundant microorganisms are bacteria, virus, amoeba, paramecium. Correct answer is bacteria. Most extensive metabolic diversity is found in protozoan, amphibian, bacteria, fungi. Correct answer is bacteria. Most of the bacteria are chemoautotrophs, photoautotrophs, heterotroph, holozoic. Correct answer is heterotroph. Archaebacteria can live in some of the most harsh habitats because of presence of mesosome, high power of multiplication, special cell wall structure, all of this. Correct answer is special cell wall structure. Following are present in gut of cows and buffaloes and is responsible for the production of methane from the dung of these animals: methanogen, thermoacidophiles, halophiles, all of these. Correct answer is methanogen. So methanogens are present in ruminants which produces methane gas in their intestine. Motile bacteria possesses cilia, flagella, both cilia and flagella, none of these. Correct answer is flagella. Specialized cell of nostoc and anabina fixed nitrogen are known as cyst, heterocyst, oocytes, colecytes. Colecyst. Correct answer is heterocyst. Heterotrophic bacteria helps in curding of milk, production of antibiotic, nitrogen fixation in leguminous plant, all of this. Correct answer is all of this. Which one is correct about reproduction in bacteria? Mainly by binary fission, spores are formed under unfavorable condition, sexual reproduction by transfer of DNA from one to another, all of this. Correct answer is all of this. So all of these are correct about bacteria reproduction. Following features belongs to, so these are the following features written, and these features are complete lacking of cell wall, anaerobic, smallest living cell, many of them are pathogenic to plant and animal. So you have to tell these features belong to which: chrysophytes, prions, viroids, mycoplasma. Correct answer is mycoplasma. So all these features belongs to mycoplasma. And hey guys, subscribe the channel and follow us on Instagram @MCQ Biology. Thank you. Good luck.